Let's take you for instance. You are someone's target audience, at least my target audience. And it's not just one thing that interests you. You have Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute here and happy new year. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to start a YouTube channel. Yes, how to start a YouTube channel. So I'll be giving tips on how to start your YouTube channel. Yeah, these tips I'm also going to be learning from it. Yes, in my subsequent video. So watch out for it. Are you that person that wants to start YouTube and you're like, I don't know what to do, how do I get views, how do I even go about it? I'll be giving 5 tips for starting your YouTube channel. Yeah, number 4 is my favorite and it's really going to amaze you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. How to start a YouTube channel as startups. Number 1, focus on developing the skill of creating videos. That is all you need right now. You do not need to focus on a niche. You don't need a niche right now. All you need is focus as a master the art, the skill of creating a video. Your video editing, your shooting, how you shoot, how you edit your video, editing sound, editing thumbnails. Just that's all you need. Just focus on that and be good at it. Right now, you do not need to focus on a niche. All you need is to develop the skill of creating video. Just keep creating those videos. Right now, all you need is data collection because you are new in this space. That's it. So you need to collect data. You do not need to start narrowing down on a niche. All you need right now is to develop the skill of creating videos, the skill of shooting, the skill of editing. Do not let perfect stop you from getting good. Waiting for the perfect time, the perfect trend, the perfect setup. Just start it. If you're waiting for the perfect time, the perfect moment, perfect setup, trust me, you will end up not posting any video or not posting enough video because you're holding yourself back from even getting good in the first place. Instead of focusing on a niche, shift your focus on target audience. The truth is, your niche will find you after you've connect. The truth is, your niche will find you after you've collected enough data. You need enough data on what is performing and what you enjoy creating. It won't be a struggle, trust me. Don't aim at perfection. You do not have to focus on a niche. Let's take you for instance. You are someone's target audience, at least my target audience. And it's not just one thing that interests you. You have many different, it could be social media, it could be lifestyle, it could be fashion. You have several things that interest you. So don't focus on a niche. Give yourself the freedom to try different things. If you just focus on a niche, then you are not going to be able to experiment at all. Point 2, create videos around search friendly topics. We all know that YouTube is owned by Google. Every person uses a search engine. Every person uses Google. Everyone uses search engine to either solve a problem or get entertained. So your videos should either be educative or entertaining. If you've watched this video to this moment and you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button below and subscribe and turn on the post notification so you get notified when I drop my next video. To the next point, point 3, create production cadence. Choose specific days of the week for content creation. It could be Fridays, it could be Saturdays. Pick a day or days that work for you to film videos so you won't run out of content. Do not copy someone else's workflow at all. So you must create a workflow that works for you, just for you. You know your timing, you know your schedule, you know where you should be at a particular point in time. So you create a time that works for you. You know when you're free, you know when you're busy. Let me put this out there. When you start a YouTube channel, you are essentially deciding to start a production company. Treat it with the same respect you treat a business because it is one. Now to the next one, number 4, which is my favorite. Keep it simple. Complexity is the enemy of execution. The saying that I won't get views if I don't have the best equipment is a misconception, guys. Trust me, it is a misconception. Focus on knowing and seeing what works and what doesn't. then you invest in getting those equipment you want. Trust me, those equipment can wait. Just focus on the art of creating, focus on your target audience, knowing what works for you and knowing what doesn't work for you. Then you can get those equipment later. Those gadgets, you will get them. Trust me. Let me give you a gear list tip in just 3 questions. Come closer. Can your audience see you? Even if it is an iPhone 6. I'm shooting this with an iPhone 7. So even if it is a techno phone, can they see you? Of course they can. Can they hear you? I'm sure you can hear me. Can you film properly? I think that's all you need. So start with what you have. Start with that equipment you have in your house. Start with that, even if it is a natural light that you have, start with it. Then you can get those equipment later. Trust me, you will get them. If you want to get those views, the gear you use doesn't really matter. What matters is your topic, your title, and the thumbnail. The next one, which is number 5. Yeah. Don't just build an audience, build a community. Engage with your subscribers. Yes, you really need to engage with your subscribers. You can even get to know your subscribers outside YouTube. And remember, you are either here to educate or entertain. So once they drop a comment or they ask a question and you have a response for it, respond, reply their comments, get to know what they like and what they want from you. Engage with your subscribers. So those are the 5 tips for starting a YouTube channel. I feel this point will help you through your journey and your growth journey on YouTube. Trust me, in between all of this, it is okay to take a break. It is okay to rest. It is okay to protect your mental health as creatives. But what's not okay is giving up. Do not give up. If you've started YouTube before now and probably you're tired, you're not getting the views, you're not, no, trust me, it's not an overnight thing. You have to put in the work. You have to know what works for you. You have to master the art of creating, master the art of editing, master the art of knowing what your audience wants, knowing who your audience are in the first place. So make this your year. You have what it takes, and I'm rooting for you big time. Yes, so we've come to the end of the video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, yeah, and share with your friends, share with your loved ones, share with that person that you think wants to start a YouTube channel but doesn't know how to go about it. And feel free to comment, ask any questions on what you would like to see from me. Feel free to drop comments on questions you would like me to give answers to, and I'll surely respond. That's it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. It is okay to rest. It is okay to protect your mental health. It is okay to protect your mental health.